It's Halloween fall season, and I gotta show y'all my decorations in my living room. Look at this cute little pumpkin. I got these cute lights from Dollar Tree, little leaves. How cute. Let's move on to the kitchen. Now for the living room. Okay, y'all, so today we are going to be making a cute Halloween project. We have a glue gun, glue sticks, some tea lights. You can find these at Dollar Tree. We have some insulating foam up to 1 inch. We have black spray paint. Got these at Walmart. We have some fake spiderwebs, some pool noodles, a little skull, some fake bones, black roses, little skulls and pumpkins attached. We have a spider web with a beautiful glitter spider on it. And we have this little cute platter tray. And so basically we are going to be making, like I said, a candelabra. Pretend like we're making melting candles. It's going to be so cute. It's going to be so pretty at night. Have it in your room, put it in your window, put it on your front porch. You know, the Halloween feels. So first, we're just going to start off by placing things on our platter. We're going to be cutting our pool noodles in various sizes. Small, medium, large. And you can just play around with the sizing. Just pretend like I said, we have melting candles. So don't be stressing out about the sizes, y'all. It's going to be cute. And as you place them, you can secure them more by hot gluing them together, or you can use a rubber band, whatever you prefer. But first, make sure you get your placements together, see where you want to put your little pool noodles, and then we'll go from there. Okay, y'all, so now get your hot glue, and we're just going to glue the bottom of the noodles and kind of press on our tray to make sure they stick. And in between, put you some glue on the side of your noodles so that they'll stick together. Okay, y'all, so after you've glued your noodles, or you can do this before, whichever, we're just going to cut a bigger hole in the tops of our pool noodles. That way our tea lights can fit in the little hole at the top. Doesn't have to be perfect. It could be raggedy as crap. As long as your tea light fits in a little hole, you'll be fine. So all you got to do is cut around the edges and kind of cut on the sides a little bit. Take your hand, peel out some of that pool noodle foam, and boom. Like I said, it doesn't have to fit all the way in there, just a little bit. It's going to be super cute once you spray paint. You won't see your imperfections, y'all, I promise. It's going to be fine. And just repeat that process on all your noodles. Okay, y'all, now that you have all of your tea lights in the holes and make sure that they fit, we're going to take all of them out. Sorry for all your hard work, but we don't need them in there right now because we're about to go spray paint. This is the fun part where you get to be cute with your little paint. See how artistic you can be. We've also already glued down our skull and our bones, so they won't be moving either. Well, we glued our skull. But look at my little hat. You know, I'm the queen. Got my little skull shirt on. Stay chill. You know the vibes. All fall on. So y'all, let's get to spray painting. And as you see, my Crocs match my shirts. Look at it. Get into the outfit. We're just going to spray paint a few coats on here. Make sure once you spray the first coat, let it dry for a few minutes. Come back out and spray 2 or 3 more times to your liking. You could also leave it with the red showing or whatever your pool noodle color is. We just wanted, to give a little spookiness. Spray your skull. Make sure your tray is sprayed. Get into it, y'all. Get into it. Y'all, don't be like me. Please wear gloves. It'll come off, but if you want to protect your hand, wear your gloves. So, y'all, this is what it looks like so far after a couple coats. It's looking good and spooky. I like this look too, but I'm going to spray paint it probably one more time just to give it a little darker effect. But I love it. Look at the Halloween, almost candelabra. So y'all, after you finish spray painting everything and let it dry, we're going to get into our insulating foam. So please be careful with this as well. And you probably want to wear gloves with this too. I didn't. Don't be like me. Be better than me. Y'all know what I'll be saying. So practice a little bit on the grass because it just sprays out really fast if you're not careful. But what we want to do is spray a little bit on the tops of our pretend candles just to give it a waxy melting look. You'll kind of get it after a few sprays, but just want to spray in a circle, spray a little bit on the side. Doesn't have to be perfect. We just want to give it some spooky. Make sure you get the back of your candles too. And you can just spray all around the bottom of your tray. This is also kind of sticky, so we're going to put our bones and place them at the bottom in a minute. You'll see what I'm talking about, y'all. Just keep spraying, keep playing. Just have fun with this little art project. So after you've done your insulating foam, let it sit to dry for a minute. After it's dried, go back in with your spray paint. We're just gonna spray it black again. And once again, it does not have to be perfect. You just want to kind of cover up some of those white spots. And you also want to spray paint your foam probably 2 or 3 times too, because the way the foam, the material, doesn't really take well to the spray painting, but it's gonna have to do. So spray paint to your liking, and it's up to you. Okay, guys, here is our melting wax candelabras. Look how pretty it turned out. It's gonna look so much better once we decorate with the spider webs and the lights and all the extraness. Let's get to back into the house. So y'all, here's how it looks. We're going to be adding in our tea lights in the holes. And you might find it might be a little tough because some of that foam has been hardened, but just force it in there. It's gonna be okay. All right, y'all, after your tea lights, add some fake spiders. I'm just adding one on the top of the skull, adding one on the bones. I'm going to put one on the candles. And I'm also going to be adding these cute black roses. I'm just going to stick them kind of on the side in between some of the pool noodles. Just a couple of them. And then we're going to take our fake spider webs. This was super difficult to use, y'all, because this stuff gets everywhere and it's very hard to pull apart. So you just got to kind of play around with it, tear it up, cut it, spread it out, make it look less webby, more webby, whatever you want to do to your stuff. But I wanted a little less web look. So I'm just cutting some of my spider webs, making some holes, putting it here, putting it there, putting spiders everywhere. All right, y'all, and we're just gonna turn it to the back. Added just a few spider webs. We already got a giant spider web for decor, but we're probably gonna add a couple more tea lights in some random places. Keep playing with our spider web, but this is pretty much the look. It's so cool, y'all. This project is so cheap, so easy to make for Halloween. Let's light it up, y'all. It's nighttime. Get into it, guys. How spooky, cute is this? I feel like I'm in a haunted house. They need to hire me to be on set. Let me be a part of the production crew, design team. You feel me? You can see them little spiders. You see the webs, the lights. Ah! I love Halloween, guys. I love it. Y'all play around with this project and tell me what you think. Just let's join the Halloween Town team. Take me to Halloween Town, please. And I'm just adding more lights in the back so you can kind of see the giant spider in the back. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you like, comment, subscribe, share with your family and friends. Enjoy Halloween this year. Have fun. Have fun. I'll see you guys next time. Happy Halloween. Ho, 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 ho.